Do you want to merely teach, or do you aspire to inspire, leaving an unforgettable mark on the minds of the future? Prepare to delve into the world of edutainment, where we challenge conventional wisdom and explore the uncharted territories of learning. It's time to unleash your potential with IntellectYou. Edutainment is the magical fusion of education and entertainment. It's a powerful approach that leverages the appeal of entertainment to deliver valuable educational content. From today's video games to interactive apps, documentaries, and even theme parks, edutainment exists in various forms and mediums. Now you might wonder, why is edutainment so effective? The answer lies in neuroscience. When we're having fun, our brains release dopamine, the feel-good chemical. This makes us more motivated, focused, and receptive to learning. Edutainment capitalizes on this phenomenon, creating a positive feedback loop that enhances learning outcomes and retention. Edutainment is rooted in humanity's age-old practice of using entertainment to convey knowledge and teach valuable lessons. While the term itself gained popularity in the mid-20th century, this concept has existed throughout history in various forms. Let's take a look back over its evolution. Long before the advent of written language, ancient cultures used storytelling, songs, and dance to pass down knowledge, history, and cultural values from one generation to another. These oral traditions served as both entertainment and educational tools. During the Middle Ages, religious performances called mystery plays reenacted stories from the Bible for the illiterate masses. These plays served as both religious entertainment and a means of teaching biblical stories and moral lessons. These were well received by the audience. Later during this time period came morality plays, theatrical productions that presented metaphorical characters representing virtues and vices. These plays aimed to educate the audience about moral behavior and spiritual values. The Renaissance era saw an increase in the use of visual aids like globes, maps, and illustrations to make learning geography, astronomy, and other subjects more engaging. The Renaissance was a period of European cultural, artistic, political, and economic rebirth following the Middle Ages. During the 18th and 19th centuries, educational board games gained popularity. This was a means to teach children about geography, history, math, and more. Games including modern-day chess, checkers, and backgammon. International exhibitions, also known as world fairs, expos, or universal expositions, are large-scale events that showcase achievements, innovations, cultures, and advancements from various countries around the world. The concept became popular and was repeated across the globe. In the early to mid-20th century, the advent of radio and television brought educational content to a broader audience. Programs like Howdy Doody, Sesame Street, and Captain Kangaroo pioneered the use of entertainment to teach children academic and social skills. From interactive computer games in the 1980s, the emergence of educational websites in the 90s, to immersive VR and AR edutainment today, technology has revolutionized education offering engaging learning experiences across various platforms. Now prepare for an enlightening journey into the core of edutainment design principles. In the next few moments, we'll unravel the secrets behind crafting unforgettable learning experiences. Get ready to master the art of educational entertainment. Engagement. Imagine your learning experience as a roller coaster of excitement, designed to keep you on the edge of your seat. Edutainment is all about making every moment an adrenaline rush of discovery. Storytelling mastery. Think of your content as a gripping blockbuster movie. Edutainment weaves narratives that pull you into a world of wonder, where education and entertainment collide. Edutainment is a thrilling, interactive quest. You're not just a passive observer, you're an active participant, solving puzzles and conquering challenges on your way to knowledge. It's like a hands-on journey where you're in control, fostering deep understanding and knowledge retention. Create your content as a visual feast. Imagine studying the laws of physics in a visually stunning 3D simulation. Edutainment design is all about creating stunning visuals that not only enhance teaching, but also immerses students in a captivating world of understanding with a lasting impression. Get ready to feel. It's a heart-pounding emotional journey. Edutainment goes beyond the facts. It taps into your deepest feelings, forging a connection that makes every lesson unforgettable. Teach history through the personal stories of individuals who lived during that era. It's time for a challenge. Turn learning into an electrifying game. Edutainment gamifies the learning experience. Picture yourself in a competitive game where each correct answer earns you points and unlocks the next level. The thrill of achievement and the excitement of leveling up keeps you engaged and motivated. Personalization recognizes that you're the hero of your own learning story. An educational experience is as unique as you are. Edutainment puts you in the spotlight, acknowledging that your learning journey is like no one else's. Hold on to your hats. Edutainment is a passport to the real world. It bridges the gap between theory and reality. Think about studying environmental science and then heading out into a local forest for hands-on exploration. It shows you how knowledge is the key to unlocking doors in your life, making learning a high-stakes adventure. My friends, the statistics we are about to unveil aren't just numbers on a page. They are the very heartbeat of a revolution that can reshape the destiny of our students and our world. In this age of distractions, where the battle for attention is fierce, edutainment stands as a beacon of hope. Educators notice engagement amplified by an astonishing 92%, igniting a fire of curiosity that propels our learners forward. Knowledge is too often lost to obscurity. Edutainment reinvents retention with a remarkable 65% boost. It's a lifeline to wisdom, ensuring that what is learned is not just temporary, but unforgettable. Every moment counts. Edutainment doesn't let our students linger in the slow lane. It accelerates learning by an awe-inspiring 50%, empowering them to grasp the complexities of our times. The world hungers for innovation. Edutainment sparks a creative revolution. It inspires 88% of students to think beyond the boundaries, to dream, and to create solutions for our most pressing challenges. Critical thinking, the very essence of progress, is uplifted by edutainment. It bestows a 60% increase in problem-solving skills upon our students, turning them into the architects of a brighter future. In a time when optimism is in short supply, edutainment overloads our students with an 80% surge in enthusiasm for learning. It's the spark that ignites a lifelong passion for knowledge. Even in the face of standardized tests that often dictate our students' futures, edutainment empowers them not just to conquer, but to excel, outperforming the competition by a remarkable 30%. And as the stakes of success grow higher, Edutainment launches student achievement into hyperdrive with a breathtaking 42% increase. It's a ticket to a future where aspirations know no bounds. In the fight against educational erosion, Edutainment is a formidable ally. It defeats the specter of dropout rates with a remarkable 30% decrease, ensuring that every student remains on the path to knowledge. Edutainment has traveled through the records of educational history, where a theory not only withstood the test of time, but thrived and evolved in harmony with the ever-advancing currents of teaching and learning. So let me ask you, are you ready to embrace the educational revolution? Are you willing to embark on a journey where learning is not just a task, but an adventure?